We got a call from a client who just purchased a new Corvette and wants to do some radical conversions to it. The first conversation started out with vertical doors, some cool wheels, and maybe a wrap. And he came back to a list that had wide body conversion, air ride suspension, audio, full wrap, an exotic McLaren-esque exhaust system. So we took his list and went to work.
Okay, Musa, so you know that Corvette that's in 1 million pieces downstairs? No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, maybe.
Okay,
maybe,
well,
yeah.
we need to do a rendering for it.
Oh.
He wants to do a wide body, vertical doors, exhaust coming out above the bumper, so like the McLarens.
Okay.
Air ride, Forgiatos. I mean, the list is just...
Whoa.
So we need to put together a rendering so these guys know what they're going to do.
Okay. I think back last SEMA, me and Lorenzo was walking in and we came across this body kit company.
Okay.
We can show you. Like,
yeah, you have pictures of it?
Yeah,
that thing's
this
sick.
one, yeah.
Wow, it changes the whole look of that car.
Yeah, it's
I already think
kit.
that car looks like a Ferrari from the back end. But now with that, it looks like a Lamborghini.
Nice. Okay.
The whole car is going to get brushed black.
Black brush, okay.
Yeah, and then all the accents will be gloss black.
Gloss black. Is this a Spider or a regular coupe?
Spider.
Spider, so
Yeah.
it's going to be that black top in the cabin.
Mm-hmm. And he's talking about maybe doing something in the back where we could do a glass window where the engine is.
Dang, like a Murcielago?
Yeah, kind of.
That's sick.
Can you pull up the rear of a McLaren? He wants it to mimic that, yeah.
Because currently it's right at the bottom, right?
Right.
So then, yeah.
But I don't know when you pull that off, because the engine's right there. So maybe when you pull that off, we can do some sort of like shorter muffler, and it can be routed maybe through that trunk. So we need to put all these ideas on a rendering so these guys know what they're building.
Sounds good. And what kind of Forgiato are we putting? Just any color scheme in general that he's looking at?
He likes the black on black, but maybe we can add a little bit of red since the calipers are red.
Okay.
Cool?
All right. Yep.
All right.
Let me get to it.
Get to it. Now that we got the rendering, the car is fully disassembled already, the next step is the vertical doors. So when we do vertical doors, we disassemble the fenders, the inners of the doors, and then we fit this hinge that's actually bolt on to the factory hinge point to make it open up like a Lamborghini door. The guys over at Vertical Doors, I mean, they've got this figured out to where every car is a pretty much bolt-on system. This one's gonna be a little bit different because it's gonna have a wide body. So is that hinge gonna work properly? Is the fenders gonna hit the doors? There's a lot of concerns that we have.
Aquí tenemos un carro Corvette del 2021. Le hemos puesto un wide body. So, una vez que le pongamos el wide body necesitamos cortar la carrocería del carro. Una vez que pongamos el wide body y que escojamos los rines que vamos a usar, la llanta, si ven aquí, va a pegar con el body kit. So, lo que vamos a hacer, vamos a cortar la carrocería del carro. Y aquí ya la tenemos marcada. Una vez cortada la carrocería del carro, vamos a poder bajar el carro y no va a pegar en la carrocería.
Proyecto estamos instalando lo que es el wide body kit, lo que es la parte de atrás ya lo tenemos con todos los tornillos, los de abajo ya estamos instalando, también lo que es del lado del fender, ya tenemos lo que es en el bumper y el último proceso de aquí es quitarlo de nuevamente y mandarlo al body shop.
So now we got the body kit fitted. Now we need to send it over to the body shop. And the main reason for this is body kits never fit perfectly, where they come out of the box and you can bolt it on the car and it's good to go. They always need some fine touching. This one in particular fits really well, but there is some gaps, there are some parts that need to be sanded, so Ruben's gonna work his magic on it, so it's perfect.
So we're about to wrap the C8 Corvette with a black brush aluminum wrap. And since the cabin area is gloss black, we would like to continue that gloss black, continue all the way to the back towards the trunk so that it's not an abrupt cutoff right over by the cabin. Me and Lorenzo are gonna go down and figure out this line because we want the line to be perfect. So Juan can lay down the knifeless tape and wrap with that line.
El carro ya volvió de body shop. Como ven, tenemos listo para el body kit. Ya pusimos los tornillos, ya cortamos. Ahora es mi turno de hacer el wrapping. Va a ser el color black brush. Empezaré a hacer el wrap, lo que es la parte de atrás. Después con la puerta, con el fender y el hood.
This is the cutout we're gonna do to see through the engine. So this pattern that we have here, it's kind of matching all the angles of the car. So it looks like belonging here. And now what I'm gonna do, I trace the piece over here. So I'm gonna cut it off. Once I cut off the piece, we're gonna water jet and make another piece go in here with a flange. So the flange is gonna sit flush on the hood, and then we're gonna put that window on it.
So right now I'm working on mocking up the rear window for the C8. It did not originally have a rear window because it's convertible and the client wants to see down to the engine. So yesterday I started with some cardboard, I mocked up some shapes. This was my final shape. Before I make it out of aluminum, I usually make it out of wood first. So I cut it on the CNC, I've pocketed out an area for my acrylic to sit in, and now I'm going to round over the top and recess the bottom. So once that's all done, we fit it in the car and it looks great. I'll make it out of aluminum, we'll paint it and call it done. All right, so now that I rabbited out the backside, I'm gonna test fit this here and leave it for Moscow to do all of his final fitment. Oh, that's money right there, boy. Nice.
Hi guys, this is Sal from Air Ride Equipment. I have in my bag a C8 doing conversion and airbags. So this is the original strut doing conversion. If you see, you can see the spring right here. This is the original hydraulic lift, so it's fully functional. And just take it to my facility yesterday to do conversion. If you see, the spring is out, the new airbags on it. So this one is in the rear. You can see it's original strut OEM. So, and this car be all the components on the front. So the layout is basically compressors and manifold, everything right here under, and compressor B right here, and the top is exposed. This is super cool. Let me do the magic.
So one of the unique pieces of this build is the McLaren style exhaust he wants coming out of the rear. Now you see it on Lamborghinis, but you never see it on American Corvette. So this one's gonna be a little bit challenging. The good news is we called our friends over at Magnaflow. They're gonna send us the pieces that we need to actually do this properly. And I hope Moscow can get this thing done, because after this, it's wheels and tires and it's off to the customer.
All right, guys, as you see, we have a set of 22s and 21 wheels. Forgiato just dropped it out today. So we're gonna mount the tires right now.
So the car is finally finished. I mean, the body kit turned out amazing. The wheels and tire setup is perfect. The air ride, like every little detail of this car turned out amazing. Now the client's on his way. He's gonna see it for the first time.
So I'm here with Paul from Savvy Tiger Inc. Paul, what do you think?
Love it, man. It's you make Bruce Wayne from Batman very proud. And Lorenzo, thank you so much.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Enjoy, good luck, have fun with it. We're gonna miss it, but bring it by anytime.
Bring it back. Yeah. Thank you so
got it.
much.